Hello and welcome to another video. And today we are going to be reacting to this.
Clear Blue. The only pregnancy test that tells you how many weeks.
Right now, we are in the prime time for claims of UFO sightings, largely due to the propaganda of modern society and the stigmas around them. However, just because a lot of the videos we see are fakes or are uncredible does not mean that there aren't interesting cases or unsolved ones at that. This is 10 of the most mysterious UFO sightings. The Dudley Dorito. Named after its visual appearance, the Dudley Dorito was the coin name for a series of sightings revolving around a black triangle over the West Midlands conurbation in the United Kingdom. These began in November 2007 onwards for several weeks. There is not much documented information on the sighting, but the fact that it had many witnesses and press coverage earned it a spot on the list. The Colossal UFO. Between the 8th of January and the 9th of February of 2008, there were a series of UFO sightings reported above the municipalities in Texas of Stephenville, Dublin, and Crawford. These were quickly reported by the Air Force as being training fighter jets that were not reported due to what they claimed was a communications error. This would have merit if it weren't for accounts of one of the sightings revolving around an object that was described as being 1.6 kilometers by 2.4 kilometers in size. We still need to take this with a grain of salt, however, as we have no way of proving the claim. We just have to speculate. Colorado Mountain Sighting. On October 3rd of 2014 in Breckenridge, Colorado, the police received multiple unrelated reports of UFO sightings within the city. The reports were concerning objects that were remaining stationary in the sky for up to 15 minutes. Then, without warning, the objects would emit a bright flash and take off to the mountain range. No explanation has been provided. The Middleburg Witbank Sighting. On February 27th of 2009, two groups of orange-hued objects were spotted by many witnesses and even caught on video between the towns of Middleburg and Witbank. 7 were spotted in the first group, and after being found again after disappearing behind clouds, they were spotted once again, only in a greater number of 23. No formal explanation or theory has been released regarding the subject, and we do have video evidence to prove that it did happen. Unexplained looks. On June 8th of 2008, the 3-man crew of a police helicopter were waiting to land when they barely spotted an unidentified flying object. They were an experienced crew and did not pursue the object. Some sources state that the helicopter was almost hit or sideswiped by the object before it then suddenly moved away at an alarmingly fast speed, hovering in place and then leaving. It is a very mysterious sighting, as many witnesses claim to have seen it but only gave cryptic responses about its appearance, other than that it was an unconventional shape and had many flashing lights. Daylights. On Friday, March 5th of 2016, Mexican Air Force